Hello and welcome to this 4-minute daily tarot. This is going to be for Monday, April 8th. So when you just take a look at the cards that we have here, this is a day for introspection. This is a day for meditation. This is a day for gaining strength from within us. The first card that we got today was the Hermit, and the Hermit is very much about going within, perhaps taking a step back from the hustle and bustle and really evaluating or reevaluating what it is that you value, what is important to you, what do you want next in their journey. And especially when he is followed by the Hierophant in reverse. And when this card comes in reverse, it is talking about being your own teacher. Very often we want to get our answers from the outside, right? Like that's why we do card readings and we watch different motivational speakers and things of that nature. But today is a day to find your answers from within. So if you do pull cards for yourself, don't just take the card at face value. Really feel what the card is saying to you. Or it's a great day to meditate and just ask. Ask your higher self what it is that you want to know, and then listen and know that there is not a single person out there who's going to give you a better answer than yourself. And then the final card that we got was the Strength card. What I'm initially drawn to is you can see the infinity sign above her head. Now this is a sign of karma. The energy you put out is the energy that you put back in. It also can be a sign of a karmic completion. So our days of thinking others know better than we do or looking to the outside for our answers, it's coming to an end, and we're going to start getting our answers from within us. It's also a day to be very careful, not careful, it's a day to monitor the energy that you're putting out. Just be mindful and observant of what it is that you're putting out into the universe, and if you want to get that energy back to you. So it is a day to go within and raise your vibration. And as you raise your vibration, then you're going to naturally attract that which is like it onto you or back into your life. Now I got guided to pull from the Angels of Abundance deck by Doreen Virtue, and as a clarifying oracle card. And the card that we got was Dreams of Abundance. And this goes exactly with what the rest of the spread says. This is talking about, it could be talking about your own dreams, paying attention to your dreams, but really it's talking about your own guidance system. What your higher self, what your intuition is trying to tell you. You are just we all are gaining this incredible strength within ourselves. It's a strength of kind of going against the grain and being okay with it. Not feeling like we have to justify our decisions to others. Not feeling like we have to prove something to the world, but just knowing that what we're intuitively guided to do, say, how to act is right for us. Even if it doesn't make sense to anybody else, even if it doesn't make sense to our ego, we are learning to trust in our higher self, in this knowing. And as you do, you build this internal strength that comes from unconditional self-love, and you are then exuding that out into the world. Your next steps are going to be very, very apparent soon. And today, and maybe throughout this week, is a day just to go within and practice really listening to yourself. Okay, I want to thank you so much for tuning in. My name's Rachel from Reiki with Rachel, and I'll talk with you tomorrow.